Automobile insurance advice that is easy to comprehend. State law mandates that you purchase at least the minimum vehicle insurance bundle, not just to secure yourself when driving, but to protect other motorists on the road. This leads some people to make rash decisions with their coverage. Find out what you require to know about auto insurance coverage by checking out these pointers. Think about switching your current insurance coverage to a lower coverage policy to save a few more dollars. Depending upon your state's insurance coverage requirements and if you are leasing or leasing to own a vehicle, you may have the ability to lower your insurance protection to save a little extra money every month. You are required to report it to your insurance business right away if you are involved in a hit-and-run mishap. They will be able to send out an insurance coverage adjuster to the scene of the accident. They will take pictures and often they are even able to cut you a check to get your car repaired right there on the spot. To get the very best rate on your auto insurance coverage, make sure that the one you presently have includes appropriate information about your car. Check the listed age and make from your cars and trucks and want to see that the mileage they have is right. Make sure that any special situations, such as a brief drive to work, are pointed out. Ensure when you are comparing various insurance prepares that you are comparing apples to apples. One business might offer you a rate that appears like an incredible bargain, but when you read the details you find out that your deductible is much greater, or that there are huge charges for paying monthly instead of every year. The cost of driving lessons might pay off in insurance savings if you are a brand new driver. Many insurance companies provide discount rates to motorists who have actually taken a motorist training course from a recognized company. The cost of the lessons often is less than the cost savings you will get by taking them. There are a couple of things that you can do to assist in bringing your expensive vehicle insurance down. If you are over 25 years old, you can receive a discount. If you are a safe chauffeur who always buckles up and has airbags in the vehicle, you can receive a discount rate. The very best way to get the lowest rates is to have a clean driving record in addition to no previous insurance claims. You can likewise get a great discount on the premium of your vehicle insurance policy if you are a senior. There are a lot of businesses that will offer a great discount rate if you are over the age of 65 and if you have an excellent driving record. As you see with the information above, there are numerous methods you can conserve and lots of ways to cut back on insurance coverage so that you do not end up being a victim of the insurer. You can't lack protection here, you need to get some type of insurance. So remember to use these tips when you need to acquire a package. State law mandates that you acquire at least the minimum auto insurance coverage package, not just to protect yourself when driving, but to safeguard other chauffeurs on the road. To get the best cost on your vehicle insurance coverage policy, make sure that the one you presently have includes proper information about your automobile. Lots of insurance coverage businesses offer discounts to chauffeurs who have taken a motorist training course from a recognized company. As you see with the info above, there are numerous ways you can conserve and many methods to cut back on insurance so that you're not becoming a victim of the insurance coverage company. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.